Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new series on physics paper 1 that was written in June 2025. So today we are going to cover the first part of the series. We are going to cover the questions from number 1 up to number 10 of the paper. So besides the YouTube, I also have the Maths and Science with Eve WhatsApp channel where I post maths and science quizzes. You can also follow me on that channel for more revisions. So let us dive straight into number 1. So number 1 was reading. Which instrument accurately measure the internal diameter of a boiling tube? So the correct answer is going to be B, which is the vernier calipers. So the vernier calipers are precision instruments that are designed to measure the internal and external diameters, depth and width with high accuracy. So you need to know why we have selected the vernier calipers. Number 1, they are precise measurements. They are also suitable for measuring the internal diameters. They are commonly used in scientific and engineering application. The other options are not as suitable for measuring the internal diameters with high precision. So this is the reason why we have selected the vernier calipers as our answer. And then we need to proceed to number 2. We are required to give the base units of force. So the correct answer on number 2 is going to be A. The unit of force is measured in newtons, of which we need to know that 1 newton is equal to 1 kilogram times 1 meter per second squared. So this unit is now representing the force required to accelerate a 1 kg mass by 1 meter per second squared. So when we are dealing with the unit of force, it is mass times acceleration due to gravity. So the mass, the SI unit for mass is the kilograms, and then the SI unit for acceleration is meters per second squared. So that is why we are saying that the base units of force is kilogram meters per second squared. So we can now proceed to number 3. Number 3 is reading. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of. Correct answer is C, which is the velocity. So acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. It is a measure of how quickly an object velocity change, either in magnitude, that is the speed, or direction. So mathematically, acceleration is the rate of change of velocity over the rate of change of time. So the rate of change of velocity, that is where we are going to say final velocity minus initial velocity over time taken. We can now proceed to number 4. A piece of wire is 60 centimeters long and 0.2 centimeters in diameter. What is the volume? So in order to find the volume of the wire, we are going to treat it as a cylinder because it is cylindrical in shape. So we are given that the length is 60 centimeters, the diameter is 0.2 centimeters. So we need to find the radius. The radius is half of the diameter. 0.2 divided by 2, we get our radius is 0.1 centimeters. And the volume of the cylinder, it is equal to pi r squared times length. So on pi, we are going to say pi times the radius is 0.1 squared, and then the length is 60. So it is going to be pi times 0.01 times 60, which is equal to 0.6 times pi. If we punch on the calculators, we are going to get approximate value of 1.88 cubic centimeters. So the volume of wire is approximately 1.88 cubic centimeters. And then we can now proceed to number 5. A trolley is loaded with 3 concrete bricks and set in motion by constant force, producing an acceleration. If one brick is removed, the trolley will. Correct answer is B. It is going to accelerate more. So when one brick is removed, the total mass of the trolley is going to decrease. According to the Newton's second law of motion, which says that force is equal to mass times acceleration, if the force remains constant and the mass decreases, the acceleration is going to increase. Why are we saying so? There is reduced mass, same force is being applied, so this is going to result in increased acceleration. The trolley will accelerate more with less mass. We can now proceed to number 6. We are having similar metallic spheres which were placed at different positions on a surface. Which sphere A, B, C, or D is the least stable? So the least stable is the sphere A. So we need to give a reason why it is least stable. Sphere A is placed on a curved high surface with the narrowest base support. This makes it to be most likely to roll off due to n small disturbance, making it the least stable compared to B, C, and D. So it means that the one that is most stable is B, the one that is least stable is A. That was all about number 6. We can now proceed to number 7. The diagram shows a manometer measuring gas pressure. The pressure of gas piped into the manometer is, so here we are going to select our correct answer as B, which is saying PGH1 plus A. So the gas pressure is greater than the atmospheric pressure since the liquid level is lower on the gas side. The pressure difference due to height, that is H1, of the liquid column is PGH1. So therefore, the gas pressure is going to be atmospheric pressure plus PGH1. And then on number 8, number 8 is reading. The diagram shows a fish pond with fish at different heights from the bottom of the pond. Which fish, A, B, C, or D, is experiencing the greatest pressure? So the correct answer is D. Pressure in fluid increases with the depth. Since fish D is at the lowest position in the pond, it experienced the greatest pressure. And then number 9, what is the power generated when an object of mass 2 kg falls with a constant velocity of 3 meters per second? We're supposed to take our acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meters per second squared. So when we are calculating power, you need to know the formula. Power is equal to force times velocity. We are given that mass is equal to 2 kg and the velocity is 3 meters per second. The gravitational force, we are going to say it is mass times gravity. So 2 times 10, we get 20 newtons. Now to calculate the power, we then say power is equal to force times velocity. The force is 20 newtons and the velocity is 3 meters per second. So we are going to say 20 times 3 in order to get 60 watts as our answer. So the correct answer on number 9 is B, which is 60 watts. And then finally, for our today's session, we are going to cover this question that was on number 10. The diagram is showing a pulley system. What is the work done by the effort when the pulley system raises the load L by 4 meters? So you need to know that work is equal to force times distance. The effort force we are given it is 1,200 Newton. And then the pulley system, it is going to have a mechanical advantage of 2. You know the formula of calculating mechanical advantage. It is load over effort. The load is 2,400 Newtons, and then the effort is 1,200 Newtons. So we say 2,400 divided by 1,200 in order to get that mechanical advantage is 2. So if load moves 4 meters, the effort moves distance of 8 meters, because we are going to say 4 meters times 2 in order to get 8 meters. Now when we are now calculating the work done is equal to force times distance. The effort distance is 1,200 Newtons. So we say 1,200 Newtons times 8 meters. We are going to get our work done is 9,600 joules. So the correct answer is going to be C on number 10. So this marks the end of our tutorial today on number 1 up to number 10 of physics paper 1 that was written in June 2025. Thank you so much, guys, for following me on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on my WhatsApp channel. For those who want to do combined science and mathematics, I have the WhatsApp classes which I run every day. You can be part of the team. They just pay $10 per month per subject for the services that I provide. Thank you. Let's meet again for the second part of physics paper 1.